Hi, I'm Suzette from Wahl Cutek South Africa. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use our Wahl Professional Cutek dryer. This dryer comes with two nozzle sizes. I'm choosing to use the wide one because of the size of the brush and the hair strands that I'm using. I've sectioned the hair to make it easier for me to blow dry. I'm choosing to take thin sections as wide as my brush. I'm starting in the middle back and working my way around the first section at the bottom. When you use a nozzle on a dryer, then it is important to aim it with the growth of the hair. Our Cutek dryer has got two speed settings and two heat settings. It also has a cold shot button that I use to cool the hair strand down. When doing this, your blow dry would last longer. As I blow dry this next section, please look at the way I hold the brush. When I pull up, it'll give me more volume. When pulling down, it'll give less volume. Also make sure that you turn the hair ends in and blow dry in the direction of the hair growth. The last section of hair on top, I will direct in the way that the client wears her hair. So blow dry it in the direction that she wears it. When I finished using my brush, I will switch it to the cold setting and then just blow dry all over to make sure that the hair is dry on the scalp. I will use a serum to finish the style off and just smooth the cuticle layers. And this is our end result. Thank you for watching.